You know, before we really get tearing into the course, I should take a quick minute and tell you just a little bit about myself. Prior to getting involved in teaching and professional graphic design and professional web design, I had a fine arts background. So that's really where I'm coming from, the world that I'm coming from. I got into the world of design, graphic design, desktop publishing, web design, the whole nine yards over a decade ago, and I've been teaching these sorts of courses related to graphics and design and so on for well over 10 years. And what's fascinating to me as well is how the world of design and visual communications also ties into the world of marketing. As a matter of fact, in my very humble opinion, they're almost sort of like sidekicks. One can't do the job without the other. So you'll see a lot of that in this course, how we can meld or work with these two worlds, the world of graphics and the world of design, and also the world of marketing, how they fit together. So that's very briefly, anyway, a little bit about myself. Now, onwards with the course.